How are you all? Happy New Year! How was your Diwali celebration? Okay, so today we are going to start our second semester. Yes, children? What we are going to study? Subject ES, and your second semester is from chapter number 13, Sharing Our Feelings. Okay, children? So what you are going to learn in this chapter? You are going to learn about Seema and her brother. See here on page number 90, chapter number 13, Sharing Our Feelings. Children, Seema, there is one girl, name is Seema, right? She goes to school. She studies in standard 3rd. You also study in standard 3rd? Yes? Okay, children. So here you are going to learn about her and her brother. Her brother name is Ravi Bhaiya. He is blind, right? So children, you come to school, right? You study what your teachers make you study, right? You write things in your notebooks. You read the lessons, okay? So likewise, children, you know that blind people also can study. Do you know how blind people can study? No? So blind people can study by Braille script. Who invented Braille script? Louis Braille. Children, here I am going to give you a short introduction of Braille script. So first we are going to learn about Louis Braille, and then we will learn how Braille script he invented and what is Braille script. Okay, children? So take out page number 94. See here what is written. We communicate either by actions or by symbol instead of speaking. Saying without speaking, dumb carrots arrange this activity in the class. Louis Braille belonged to France. Where Louis Braille belongs to? France. Okay. You lives in Gujarat. Likewise, India. Right? You lives in Gujarat, India. Likewise, Louis Braille is from France. Okay. See now, Louis Braille belonged to France. One day when he was 3 years old, he was playing with his father's tool. Suddenly a pointed tool hurt his eyes. He lost his eyesight. Here, children, Louis Braille was one child who was playing with his father's tool, right? His father was working something and he was playing with it. And suddenly he got hurt in his eyes, right? So when he hurt in his eyes, he loses eyesight. Losing eyesight, what is meant by that? He became blind. He cannot see. Okay, children? He had deep interest in studies. Though he was not able to see, he did not give up. He kept thinking of different ways to read and write. Finally, he found a way, reading by touching and feeling. This way of reading letter came to be known as the Braille script. Okay, children? So here, Louis Braille was playing with his father's tool and suddenly he got hurt. Then what he did, he lose his eyesight, right? So he was very interested in studies. You interested in studies, children? Yes, likewise Louis Braille was also interested in studies. So he kept thinking and doing many things how he can read and write. So he got a new way by reading, touching and feeling, right? So he got a new way by touching and feeling he can read. So he invented a script known as Braille script. In this type of script, a row of raised dots are made on a thick paper. Thick paper. There is one thick paper where rows are made likewise. Row is likewise. Okay. So dots are made on thick paper. Because these dots are raised, they can be read by running the fingers on them. So these dots are raised dots. See here, picture is given to you. Okay, so these dots are raised dots. So by that they can read and write. This script is based on 6 points. The Braille script has undergone many changes these days. This has made reading and writing simpler. Braille can now also be written using computer. Braille is also now written using computer. Okay, children? So children, I have written here Braille script. You learn ABCD in KG, right? Likewise, if they want to write A, there is a dot 1. See here, children, you can see that dots are there, but these dots have different. See, there is difference in every dot. If you can see, there is difference. Small, but there is a difference. Okay. So here you can know that blind people can read. Okay. So blind people can read by this Braille script. This 1, 2, 3, 4 is also there. These symbols are also there which you can use. See here, question mark, full stop. These all symbols are there also. So blind people can read by Braille script. Okay children, so you learn what is Braille script. Very good. So now we are going to start our chapter sharing our feelings. Okay, page number 90, chapter number 13, sharing our feelings. We are going to learn about whom children? Seema, right? So see here, now I am reading. You also read from your book. Okay. I am Seema. I am studying in 3rd standard. After running home from school, there are 2 people with whom I like to share all my news. They enjoy listening to my tales. See children, what Seema is telling? She is studying in standard 3rd. Okay. So after coming from school, what she is doing? She likes to share her things. With whom she likes to share? She likes to share with the 2 people. All her news. News means what he has done what she has done in her school. What she has talked with her friends. All these things she likes to share with the 2 people. Okay. The first person, now see, we are going to see which 2 persons she likes to share. The first person is my Nani. Who is her first person with whom she likes to share, and the person also enjoys her tales. See now, who is there? Her Nani, right? She likes to share her Nani. You also, when you leave the school and go to home, you also likes to share with your mother or your father. Suppose you are sharing with your mother. What you told, Mama, I did this today. Teachers called me. Teacher give me good marks. Teacher like this. Okay. So you share all these things. आप लोग share करते हो ना घर पे जाके कि आज टीचर ने मेरे को डांटा या आज मेरे को टीचर ने शाबाशी दी. ठीक है. तो ये सब आप चीजें शेयर करते हो घर पे जाके अपनी मम्मा से. राइट. सो हियर ऑल्सो सीमा वो अपनी नानी से शेयर करती है. ठीक है. शी ऑलवेज एंशियस टू लिसन टू मी. एंशियस का मतलब होता है वो बहुत क्यूरियस होती है उसकी बातें सुनने के लिए. She waits for me to return from school. She is quite old and often has back pain. She cannot see or hear well. What here is telling? See, her Nani. Whose Nani? Seema's Nani. Seema's Nani is very old. Quite old means very old. So she has back pain, right? So she cannot, and also she cannot see or hear properly, right? Every day in the morning, Papa reads the newspaper aloud to her. She does the rest for her work herself. Right, children? Now see here. As Seema's Nani is not able to see and hear properly, Seema's father reads newspaper. For whom? Her Nani. Okay? Because she cannot see. So Seema's father read the newspaper. How he read? He read aloud. Okay? Because she cannot hear properly now. So he read loud. Okay? She does the rest of her work herself. What she do? She do the rest of work herself. If someone tries to help her, she gets very upset. Though she cannot see properly, she is fond of cutting vegetables. She says these days children do not know how to cut vegetables properly. Okay children, now Seema's Nani she is not able to see properly, but she does the work herself. She cut the vegetables herself. Okay, and she cuts very properly. What she says? She says that today's children don't know how to cut vegetables. The second person is my Ravi Bhaiya. Who is the second person? Ravi Bhaiya. You know, I told you before that Ravi Bhaiya is blind. Whose brother he is? He is Seema's brother, right? He lives with us. I call him Ravi Bhaiya and he call my parents Bhaiya Bhabhi. What she call her parents? Bhaiya Bhabhi. I do not know what our relationship is. He a very loving. He is always ready to answer my questions. He never say I will tell you later. What here Seema is telling? See, she don't know the relation. What is relation is there with Ravi Bhaiya with her family. Okay, but he is very loving. Who is very loving? Ravi Bhaiya, right? He is always ready to answer her question. Whose question? Seema's question. When Seema asks any question, Ravi Bhaiya always answer. Okay. He never says I will tell you later. Ravi Bhaiya never says that he will tell her later. Why? Because he always answer her. Okay. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. The students of the college respect him a lot. Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening to music, taking part in plays, enjoys chatting with his friends and going out with them. He has a good sense of humor and makes all of us laugh. What Ravi Bhaiya do now? See here, Ravi Bhaiya teaches in college. Like see, your father is going to office, right? Your mother works in home. Okay. Your brother also study, your sister also study, you also study, come to school. Likewise, Ravi Bhaiya has also work. What he do? He teaches the students of the college. Okay. Ravi Bhaiya teaches the students of the college. Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening to music. Children, you also have some habits like listening music, dancing, hobbies, right? You have some hobbies. So here Ravi Bhaiya also have some hobbies, that is listening to music. Okay, so he likes to listen the music, taking part in plays, right? You also take part when there is annual function in your school, right? So you also take part in your school in functions. Okay, you participate in dancing or you participate in singing. Likewise, Ravi Bhaiya is also habit of partying in plays. He likes to take part in plays, right? Now see on page number 91. Here we are going up to page number 90. We have learned about Seema. Now we are going to learn about Ravi Bhaiya. See now, Bhaiya carries a white stick when he goes out. Looking at him moving around in the house, no one can say that he cannot see. He likes to do all his work himself. If someone tries to help him against his wish, he gets angry. Whenever he needs any help, he asks for it. See now, Bhaiya carries a white stick. See, blind people are there, right? Blind people, you see, they cannot see, so they carry a stick. Here, Ravi Bhaiya also carries a stick. Why? Because he cannot see. So by stick, he can know that something is there. So he put a stick, then he walk. Okay. Here also, Ravi Bhaiya also take a stick. Looking at him moving around in the house, वो जैसे घूमते हैं घर में, वो जैसे घर पे कोई आता है तो पहचान जाते हैं, ऐसा देख के कोई ये बोल नहीं सकता है कि रवि भैया ब्लाइंड है. उनको क्या है, उनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर जो है वो बहुत अच्छा है. Some of Bhaiya's students take books from him and return them after recording them on tapes. रवि भैया के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, you know that Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college, right? So his students take books from him and then what they do? They record in a tape and then give him a bag. Okay. Ravi Bhaiya listens to this tape. Bhaiya has many other books too. Pages of these books are thick and have rows of raised points. He reads by running his fingers on the raised dots. You know, right? Ravi Bhaiya is blind. So he cannot have book like you. Okay. So what he writes, he cannot write like you. You take a book and write with a pen or a pencil, right? But here Ravi Bhaiya cannot write like that. He has to write like this because he learned this language. As he is blind, he cannot read like you. Okay. So Ravi Bhaiya, how the Ravi Bhaiya's book is? His book is very thick and has road there. Likewise, dots हैं, ठीक है? He reads by running his finger. He puts the dots, he puts the fingers and he read. Okay. I had hardly reached to have fun with Bhaiya. I sometimes change the place of his stick. He does get upset but never gets angry. After all, I am his favorite sister Seema. Okay. Now what Seema do to make a fun? What she do? She hides the Ravi Bhaiya stick. Okay. As he is blind, he cannot see. So there is a proper place of his stick. Okay, so what Seema do? Seema take stick and put somewhere else. So Ravi Bhaiya has to find it. But Ravi Bhaiya never gets angry on her. He gets upset, but he never gets angry. I had hardly reached the door that Bhaiya spoke up. Seema, you seem to be very happy today. जब सीमा स्कूल से घर आती है, वो अभी घर के दरवाजे पे पहुंचती है, तब तक भैया उसको बोल देते हैं कि आज तू बहुत खुश है या आज तू बहुत सैड है. ओके, वो देख नहीं सकते हैं पर वो समझ जाते हैं. उसके आने से ही वो समझ जाते हैं. भैया recognize not only me but all other फैमिली मेंबर्स from the sound we make as we move. He can even tell whether I am happy or sad. See, again here there is. Bhaiya recognize all the members of the family. He does not recognize only Seema. He recognize all the members of the family and also tell if they are happy or sad. Bhaiya, finally I am in the football team. I shared my news with him. He patted me and said lovingly, "From today you are my football coach." Okay, so here Bhaiya, when Seema selected in a football team, what she do? She shared her feelings with whom? Ravi Bhaiya. Okay, so he patted her and said lovingly, "From today you are my football coach." What Seema tell to Ravi Bhaiya? That you are my football coach. You will teach me football. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.